Alright, I think we're good. If you'll notice, y'all, we're in a parking garage, which is not where I wanted to start today's video. So I took the bike out, and, okay, it was doing fine. I had to fill it up with oil like 2 days ago, after the last Motovlog. And I was like, what the hell, this thing shouldn't leak, it doesn't smoke. I pulled up to a light, and this bitch was smoking out like I'm fucking mugged, and I was like, bro, this is not good, not good. Long story short, my oil filter was a little loose, which is on the bottom of this side. I had my R6 toolkit in my backpack, so that's fucking fire. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Oh yeah, baby, we good. I also have mounted the camera in what I think is a better position. Let's hope it is. Let's get it. Hopefully we don't need gas. I just jinxed it, because we are now gonna need gas. Thank you, parking garage, for being so kind to me and letting me stay there for a second. But I checked my oil. We're good to go. Right, today we are touring the beautiful downtown Raleigh. If y'all are not familiar, this is where NC State is. If you guys are familiar with at least the school. I'm gonna take y'all on my regular route. Beautiful day, another beautiful day. Like our last Motovlog. I don't know, man, we just gonna get into it, get some shits and giggles out, and get a little ride in this afternoon, you know what I'm saying? I don't smell any oil. I think we are good. I smell a little bit, but to be fair, a little bit leaked out. I just don't see the cloud of oil I saw before. Well, we got a little Mark 5, give me that. Riding downtown is like the ultimate fucking lookout for pedestrians and dumb people test. Like, people will come out of the woodworks, man. I don't even know what that saying means, but y'all know what it means. Fucking just bam, right out of the trees like a damn squirrel. Oh, that's neutral. Y'all ever just downshift into neutral? You know what, fuck it, we gonna keep it in second. I think it feels pretty good. A-doo-be-doo-be-doo. Moge tea. Moge and little Miat on some RPF wines. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Place has a lot of brick, honestly. I think that's pretty standard for like old college towns, but still. A lot of red, a lot of brick everywhere. Bricks, bricks, bricks. Damn, and a lot of buses too. God damn, Bo. It's probably illegal to sneak around in. Oh, the skill. No, we're fucked. I fell over. Thank you for staying green light. Ah yes, the perfect place to cross. 15 feet from the crosswalk. For the last Motovlog, I really had a lot of fun on. Oh, a little mini Koopa. Lowered. That's alright. I would take the tow hook off and the tail light tint, but other than that, it's pretty good. Little urban ride for us this afternoon. Oh, lots of potholes down here. If you guys are wondering what the perfect bike to tour your city on, it would be a R6. Oh, there's a Rivian. Y'all check that shit out. I'm pretty sure I talked to him before. He's chill. Here, I'll miss that. Fuck that pothole, bro. Y'all, the funny thing about motovlogging is, I literally do this. I just ride around and think and kind of talk, you know, either in my head or to myself or to who I'm riding with. It's just literally like a live commentary of my conscious stream for you guys today. So damn pit bull back there, man. They don't like bike. They also don't like babies. There's a cool ass outback, and a curb. Might have been a legacy. This is a very beautiful city, dude. Kind of nice riding around, pretending to be a little tourist. A lot of times, my friends and I used to ride to the Moge tea back there and Insomnia cookies. Yo, what's up, skater bros? Yeah. Oh, that was about the smoothest goddamn downshift I ever have experienced in my life. Shit was buttery. That was for y'all. If y'all like that fucking downshift, bro, go hit the subscribe button. Anytime I do something cool, I'm gonna tell y'all to subscribe. Ah, yes. Industrialization. Goddamn, it's foggy as hell. There's a G-Wagon up there. I don't think you guys can see that. Maybe you can. Hopefully you can with the new and improved camera angle. Nice building. Guys, my favorite thing to ride on is loose dirt. Oh, 2-ton 350. It needs a little love, but it's not horrible. We are turning left here. Please do not merge into me. God, that is a big fucking bump. Man, what do they do? What do you think they're doing in there? Think they're designing? Don't mind me, just always leaving my blinker on. Alright, y'all, this road right here, this is Glenwood South. This is where all of the shit goes down between Friday and Sunday. I guess people come out here all the time, but this is the strip, man. You want to go get fucked up downtown? This is where you go. If you want to be out in it. If you want to get out in the shit, out in the, you know, the parties, the clubs, this is it, man. I've come down here to drink possibly twice in my life. I don't drink a whole lot. Give me the green, bro. Are we gonna die right now? No. Let me not even say that. I take that back. This is, hell yeah. Look at this park job. Bro turned on his hazards like it makes it okay. I guess, you know what? I'm gonna just do that, man. If I just want to park in the middle of the road, I'm gonna just slap my hazards on. Fuck it, man. People will go around, right? It's very different going down this road during the day. Pretty barren. Is that a SS? Nah, new body style kind of cool, though. Land Cruiser, that's sick as fuck. Very nice. Ooh, yellow light. CPI security, identify yourself. How about you identify these nuts? Just kidding. This time, guys, we have even more duct tape on my helmet. Damn, bro. Look, bro, I need gas. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My plan was to stop for gas until my fucking bike started smoking, so so silly. Thankfully, I can get gas. This is the biggest pothole right here. I smacked that shit in the R32. Thought I died. How many miles y'all think we have with the gas light on? Y'all think it's like 30 or y'all think it's like 10? I could not tell you. Probably should be able to tell you, but you know, what you gonna do about it? Should be able to get to a gas station up here right quick. Yo, how are y'all doing? How y'all doing today, huh? You watching this video? You having a good day? You enjoying this with your supper, with your dinner? What you doing? Oh lol, the gas light's not on anymore. We good, baby, we good. We just filled up. Thank you. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah, we got it. We got it. Please go straight. Damn it. Man, that's a big ass truck. We going though. This is a very fun road. I do this route a lot, actually. Fuck, I need some gas. Gas lights back on, bro. Damn, bro. Oh my god. I guess he got it like that, bro. He know what he's doing. It's terrifying seeing a fucking building pull up next to you, you know what I'm saying? Oh, there's a Harley rider. Y'all think he's chill like that? Y'all think he's gonna wave? Or is he a Harley exclusive rider, bro? You know what? Sometimes it's nice to do things without expecting in return. Hello, sir. He nodded. He's chill. He's chill like that. I did arguably pick one of the worst times to go out for a ride. Why are we braking? Why are we braking, please? Man, I cannot wait till it gets warmer and I can go out for like night rides. That shit is the most fun of all time, bro. Taking a little group out at night, here's a little tunnel run for you. That's all you get, because I don't want to be in the back of a RAV4, you know what I'm saying? Dude, the elevation change in Raleigh is like actually wild. Hopefully the camera's picking this up, because like, bro, we are descending down this fucking mountain. That's gotta be 100 feet, bro. Maybe more, 150. Now we going up, about to have to downshift. Oh, let's just not. Let's just not. Shoo! Sometimes you get there, sometimes you don't. The S4, that's sick as fuck. Does anybody need a tour guide for Raleigh? Hit me up. We can go out on the bike, take you on a little bike tour, you know what I'm saying? Still have not seen a gas station. No gas. One gas station, please. Oh, there's a Burrs 86 on some RPF reps, I think. He's chilling though. There's a Hawk. Bro, this gas light, he's starting to stress me out. Ooh, Mazda 3. Maybe Mazda 1. I don't know. It looks little. Some gas, bro. I need some gas, please. I need some gas. Oh, yes. Miss your exit. Just go through the fucking middle. And I love retaining walls. They're so fun to ride next to. Little V6 Camaro. Fun fact for you guys. I fixed a set of wheels on an undercover cop Camaro, which is pretty chill. He was cool. His wife's cool. They were ballin'. She had a Porsche. He had a the Camaro. Ooh, baby. Traffic. Man, I'm gonna just hop right in here. Thank you. We don't have enough gas to be doing all this stopping and starting. You know what? You feel me? You feel me? Come on. Somebody can get in front of me. Just don't cut me off. You know what I'm saying? Bro. Thank you. Alright, children. What did we learn in episode 1 of the Motovlog? Give yourself lots of room for that. Man, I really do not want to run this mug out of gas. Smells like ass here. It smells like straight sulfur. A doobie doobie doo. A doobie doobie doo doo doo. A doobie doobie doo doo doo. And, bruh, we taking this exit. Thank you. I hope there's a gas station over here, because that's why I took it. Man, what the hell is this boy doing? Oh, okay. Eee. Alright, I don't condone speeding, but if you gonna get on it a little bit, just make sure there's room. Make sure there's minimal places for people to pull out from. You know what I'm saying? Have fun, be as careful as possible as well. Man, what? We ain't got no fucking gas stations in Raleigh or what, bro? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, we're saved. I mean, we're not there yet, but I think we'll be saved. Come on, school bus. Get in there, man. Yo, when I was a kid, I fucking loved motorcycles, dude. I never thought I would get one. Honestly, bro. My mom, she still is against them, but like, she was like, bro. You know what she told me? And this is fair. She said if I die on a motorcycle, she was killing herself. So, guys, I can't die, because then my mom would die too. But I don't plan on it, you know? Not to say that, yeah, we're not going to say anything. How about that? Gosh, guys, we fucking made it. Oh my gosh. Whew, fucking, thank Glob, honestly. Thank Glob. Y'all think a Glock can fit in the damn fanny pack? Oh, there we go. Card error, the fuck? I haven't removed it, bro. It didn't fucking tell me to remove it. Bro, it's removed. What do you want from me? Alright, bro, we're trying a different pump. What's up, little baby? Bro, that's little baby. That's him right there. Y'all got the bike waddle down? The first thing you should have down before riding a bike. Ah, yes. 3 gallons of 93, please. Bro, they said the R6 had like 4.5 gallons, right? But this gas light's on, so we low, and I bet it does no more than 3 gallons. Alright, look, this shit just cut off. What we got? 2.9, bro. 4.5 gallons, my fucking ass. Damn, I forgot to put the pump back. Get away. Oh my god, do y'all see this? Oh my god. Look at that, bruh. 964? Oh my, yo, that is fucking beautiful. Oh my god, bruh. I like that. I like your car. Can I get over though? Thank you. Damn, that's pretty, bruh. Man, can y'all subscribe, bro. Y'all go subscribe. I'm trying to get a 911. I will get a 911, but like, bruh. Bruh, that's so hot. Look at this fucking ramp for us. I definitely should not have taken the highway, low-key. Low-key. Can I get over? Thanks. How you doing, feller? Dude, I like how people just look at you on a bike. Just fucking look at you like you're a zoo animal. I mean, I get it. Shoot, it's mud carbon on here. But ah, yes, plenty of space to get over. Go ahead, then. So, the only way I can explain going over like fucked up concrete on the road on a bike is if you've ever been on a tube or wakeboarding or like water sports or even just in a boat and you like go over a wake, it feels the same way.
Alright, well, my phone was full, so it stopped recording, but we made it home. I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching, so much for watching. This has been Fitz Miller and the R6 back here with another video. If you guys want to see more Motovlogs, be sure to go down in the comments and let me know. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ride safe.